Troubleshooting motor problems, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Motors are essential components in countless machines and appliances. When a motor malfunctions, it can disrupt operations and lead to significant losses. Fortunately, many motor problems can be diagnosed and resolved with a systematic approach. This blog post will guide you through common motor issues and provide practical solutions. 1. Poor maintenance, the root of many problems. Regular inspections, ensure that your motor is regularly inspected for signs of wear, dirt, or damage. Cleaning and lubrication, keep the motor clean and well lubricated to prevent overheating and premature wear. Replacing worn parts, timely replacement of worn parts, such as bearings and brushes, is crucial for optimal performance. Maintenance schedule, establish a regular maintenance schedule to address potential issues before they escalate. 2. Wiring woes, a common culprit. Incorrect wiring, verify that the motor is wired according to the manufacturer's instructions. Wiring diagram, consult the wiring diagram to ensure proper connections. Testing for continuity, use a multimeter to check for continuity in the wiring and identify any breaks or shorts. 3. Bearing breakdown, a silent killer. Excessive vibration and noise, bearings that are worn or damaged can cause excessive vibration and noise. Regular lubrication, lubricate bearings according to the manufacturer's recommendations to reduce friction and wear. Replacement, if bearings are severely damaged, they must be replaced to prevent further damage to the motor. 4. Voltage fluctuations, a hidden threat. Under voltage, check for voltage fluctuations that may be affecting the motor's performance. Load sharing, ensure that other equipment is not overloading the power supply and causing voltage drops. Voltage measurement, use a voltmeter to measure the voltage at the motor's terminals and compare it to the rated voltage. 5. Overloading, a silent killer. Thermal protector tripping, a frequently tripping thermal protector indicates that the motor is being overloaded. Load assessment, evaluate the load on the motor to determine if it exceeds its rated capacity. Load reduction, if necessary, reduce the load on the motor to prevent overheating and damage. 6. Capacitor concerns, a slow start. Delayed acceleration, a defective capacitor can cause the motor to take longer than usual to accelerate. Capacitor testing, use a capacitor tester to check the capacitance of the capacitor and determine if it needs replacement. 7. When in doubt, seek professional help. Complex issues, if you are unable to diagnose or resolve the motor problem, consult a qualified technician. Specialized tools, professionals have access to specialized tools and equipment that can aid in troubleshooting. Expert advice, a technician can provide expert advice and recommendations for repairing or replacing the motor. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps and addressing common motor problems, you can significantly improve the reliability and lifespan of your equipment. Regular maintenance, careful inspection, and timely repairs are essential for ensuring optimal motor performance.